Why Japanese make noise when eating ramen? Well, there are actually 3 reasons. Have you ever been to a ramen shop in Japan and wondered, why do Japanese people make so much noise when they eat ramen? The reason 1, we're eating air too. Yes, you heard that right. In Japan, slurping isn't just about eating noodles. It's about tasting the air and savoring the aroma of the ramen. Think of it like wine tasting. When you slurp, you pull in air, which helps you fully appreciate the flavor and aroma of the broth. And hey, don't knock it until you try it. Slurping makes the ramen even tastier. 2, chopsticks aren't forks. Unlike in the West, we don't twirl our noodles. Instead, we use chopsticks to lift them bite by bite. It's trickier than it looks. Imagine trying to perfectly lift long, slippery noodles every time. It's hard work, don't you think? 3, and finally, maybe deep down, we secretly want to get noodle stains on our white shirts. Why? Of course, we used to enjoy getting scolded by our moms.